Oh, really? Oh. Have they been bothering her a lot? Oh, you mean just the checker? The checker. Yeah. I hope everybody turns that good. That's very good. Yeah.
Try to push down on it.
Yeah. You go pretty fast, don't you? Were you driving that? Were you driving that thing, Preston? Yeah. You were? Well, that horn works good. Yeah. You like that horn. Are you going to drive again?
Drive again?
Okay. Bye.
Here we go.
Show him how to show. Sure, hang on. Yeah, he's not real smooth, but he's getting the hang of it. Yeah. Few minutes. Preston's running in first gear, so he's running kind of slow.
Yeah.
Oop.
That's